Have you always wanted to be trading Forex, but it's so difficult because there are so many rules and you don't know where to put the take profit, you don't know where to put the stop loss, all these type of things. I have the solution for you. I have made an application for Android that you can download in Google Play Store today. You find a link below the video and you can get started with this application, and this one give you artificial intelligence signals every day. As you can see, for example, right now there are 5 signals available, and these signals will stay till either stop loss or take profit is set, and then we'll keep giving and giving signals as long there are signals to give. So let's take a look how this looks like. So let's see here now. You have all these pairs that artificial intelligence is looking through all the time. When he finds a signal in one of these, he will present it here. Okay, and it's very simple. You find the entry price here. Okay, then you put this as stop loss, and this as take profit. For brokers, I have left 2 brokers that I'm using myself. If you have United States, for example, or wherever, this broker works every country. Here's the catch. If you try to open account with this broker without using my link, if you are from United States, they will not accept you. You will not be able to register. I have been whitelisted, so that means that people from United States, Australia can sign up on this broker without no problem, and you can use this broker today. But if you don't use my link, you can't. For Pure Prime, they don't accept people from the United States, but here's the thing, you get 2 times your first deposit. In some countries probably you give you 50% also, depending where you're from. But this gives you a small extra bonus, so you have more capital to be trading with. So it's pretty good. So you can't withdraw your bonus, but you can withdraw the profit you make from the bonus. Okay, so that's the thing with this one. Other than that, like I said, here you always have the latest signal. So always here you will see the ones that are active. Of course, you need to check if how long time the signals was taken. If the entry, for example, is very close to be take profit, you don't take it, right? This you see. But if you see it's pretty close to enterprise or even below it, so you can get a better trade, you take it, and that's it. And like I have mentioned in other videos, it's 1 to 1.5. That means, for example, if you lose $10 on the stop loss, you make $15 on the take profit. So even if the win rate would be 50%, you still make money. Yesterday we had around 72%. The day before we had 69 if you have taken every single trade there is. Yes, he don't win every trade, of course. And here is no martingale, nothing. It's just signal, easy. You have take profit, stop loss, done. Next. So here is it's much safer. I would say take around 2-3% of your account on each single trade, max. That is max. If you want to be really safe, do 1%, but 2-3 is where you should set your max. Other than that, of course, also we do have some robots that you can get. You find that in the menu also. So this is the 2 robots that I can present now. I am building my own that will come here later. So everything will be in the application. Also, as I said, I will make some training videos later, so you can learn how to trade and how to take signals and things like this, from beginner to master. I have myself traded for more than 20 years, so I will teach how you do indicators. The indicators I know is working at least, and also trading without indicators. I trade without indicators myself, but there are indicators that you actually can make some profit with. And of course, if you're into copy trading, I left this here. For copy trading, this broker is the best. I have a very nice application that you're using, and yeah, it's something I like. Other thing that I will make later on application for iPhone also. This one is just in Google Play Store right now, so it's for Android, but I will later on make an iPhone version also, because I'm sure some of you are using iPhone and you would like to have this also. So with that, I really hope that you will enjoy these signals and that you will make a lot of money with it. And that's it. Also, of course, when you're downloading this application, help me out, make a good review, because I'm trying to give something for free here, and I would love that you all help me out so I can start to get some more people using this application also, because it's more fun when you're working on something that you get more people using it. Also, help me out with this channel. I'm trying to reboot my channel because as I had a 6-7 months I was not making any videos. Google is more like YouTube is trying to get me into the system. They don't know where to put me yet, so it takes a little time. So that's why you see I have almost no views. In the past I got up to 28,000 views on my videos, so now I need to try to get reboot there. And with that you can help me by liking this video, make some comments below, things like this. Of course, also if you want to see updates from this or other Forex robots videos, make sure that you subscribe, of course, if you're not a subscriber, and turn the bell notification so you never lose a video just like this one. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.